Hi, my name is Jack Boring, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet from your laptop. You can also use Google Meet from your phone, but in this video I'm just going to focus on using it from a laptop or a desktop computer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go down to your taskbar and open up Google Chrome. And Chrome is preferred because Google Meet is a Google product, so they work well together. So the first thing you'll want to do is type in meet.google.com, and this will take you to the Google Meet website. And over here I've got a calendar notice that popped up here that I'm not going to use in this particular case, but anyhow, over here on the left you'll want to focus on new meeting, or here you can actually enter a meeting link into this box right here. I'm not going to talk about that just right now. Let's go to new meeting. So this is if we want to set up a meeting. If I want to get the link to um, the the meeting, I can click here. But what I want to do is I just want to start an instant meeting. Okay, I've decided I'm going to meet with someone, and that particular someone that I'm going to meet with knows that I'm going to be sending them a link. So I'm going to click on join now. Now notice I've got a video screen right here. I'm recording the video from my screen on my camera. I've got a Logitech camera mounted on top of my monitor so that other people can see me. So in this particular case, I can turn the microphone on and off. Okay, if you're listening in on something in a meeting, you can mute the microphone. You can also turn the camera off. Sometimes you want to turn the camera off simply because it sends a lot of more information back and forth, and it might improve your connection. Over here we've got some settings, and I'll explain those in just a little bit. Let's go ahead and join the meeting. Okay, and it'll pop up this window here. It says add others. Okay, now in this particular case it's giving you the meeting link. Each meeting has a unique link. Okay, so there's the link. You could copy this, so I could say copy joining info, copy this and paste it into an email and send the email. So now your friends could use this right here when they click on it, and I'll show you that in just a little bit. So let's click on add people, and I'm just going to use my other email address, and we'll just invite me to the meeting. Okay, so I just sent an email. So while that email's going out, it might take a little while to get through. Let's talk about this control bar at the bottom here. There's some options that you can use. Um, in this meeting details, you can actually get a copy of this link. So again, if you want to send an email to your friends, basically what this will do is allow you to copy this meeting link. This is a unique link to this particular meeting. Over here we can mute and unmute the microphone, and basically that allows you to, if you just want to listen in on a video, you can do that. This is you click it once to mute it and then click it again to unmute it. This is if you want ready to leave the meeting, you click on this red phone. This is to turn your video on and off. Over here you can actually turn on closed caption, and if you notice at the bottom of my screen, it's recording what I'm saying right now. So might be a nice feature if you have trouble hearing what people are saying. Okay, we'll turn that back off. If I want to present something, okay, so if I want to present to the people that I'm listening to, and if you're doing, maybe you're doing a one-on-one training session and your trainer wants to see your screen, you can do this. You can show your entire screen, okay, which is the most inclusive. You can show a window. So let's say you're trying to show somebody a Microsoft Word document. You'd select the window and then click on the window that you wanted to show them, which in that case would be the Microsoft Word document. Or you can show them a Chrome tab. So if you simply want to show them one of your tabs in Chrome, um, this will exclude anything else that you've got set up on your computer. Now notice it says here it's best for video and animation. So it might be that it provides the best environment for that. Over here we have these three dots, if I can get to them. Okay, there's more things that you can use. I'm not going to show you the layout because I really have not used it yet. There's a full screen. Full screen basically will tell you what the, or will show this in full screen mode. You can turn on the captions, which we just showed you. Here's some additional settings that you might want to consider. You've got audio, video, and general. Under audio, you can tell it which microphone you want to use. Okay, in this particular case, I've got actually three microphones. I've got the computer microphone. I've got the microphone on my camera, and we've got a microphone here on my headset. So I've got it programmed to use my headset. And the same with the speakers. In this particular case, the speakers on my computer are here. I'm using the speakers on my headset. So you can program those, and it'll allow you to test those. You can go to video. Video will allow you to capture a camera, whether you've got a camera on your laptop or desktop. You can tell it which one you want to use at this point. Here, this is something you might want to consider. It says send resolution and receive resolution. I'm just going to show you that you can actually increase the resolution, the receive resolution. Okay, now you might want to set your computer up for higher definition to send, so if somebody at that end wants to see what you're doing in higher resolution, they can see that. So again, this is under video, and so you might want to increase this resolution. Under general, okay, there really isn't much here at all, except you can tell it to report these additional diagnostics. Up at the top, we have, you can show who's there. You can chat with them. If I click on chat down here at the bottom, I can send them a message. This is a message to my participants, and it'll send that out. Okay, it's only me in this session right now, so let's go take a look now. I'm going to close this out, and let's go take a look now at what does the message look like when somebody sends you a message to join a meeting. Okay, here's a message that I sent out. Okay, and it's pretty simple. It has a link in it, and this join meeting link right here is what you click on. So you have to click it twice. So you're going to click join now. Okay, now I'm joined to the meeting, and I'm going to close that back out again because I'm getting an echo because I've joined the meeting twice. The only other thing I want to show you here now is, let's take a look here. Let's say I'm going to copy this joining info, okay, and then I'm going to create an email, and I'm going to send it, join my meeting. And down here at the bottom, you've got a insert link, but I think you can just do a paste. We'll do a control. I'm going to hold the control key down and press V. Okay. So there's the link. This is a link to my meeting. So it's pretty simple to send out messages to your friends or whoever you're meeting with. Okay. And in this particular case, what I'd like to do is I'd like to make that a link. Okay, and I just click down here on link here to make that a link. So now all somebody has to do to join my meeting is to click on that link, and I'll just click send. So at this point in time, I think I've told you about everything that I know about this. Give it a try. Call up a friend, ask them to join you in a Google Meet. Thanks for listening.